For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The BJP government in Karnataka has taken down chapters on 18th century figures including Tipu Sultan, Hyder Ali from State Board Social Science syllabus of Class 7. The Karnataka government cut down the 2020 and 2021 syllabus reportedly due to coronavirus pandemic. Official sources claim that chapters on Tipu Sultan have been retained in Class 6 and Class 10 books. Further, the Karnataka government has also dropped lessons on Jesus Christ and Prophet Muhammad in Class 6 as students will study the same in Grade 9. Karnataka Textbook Society Director Muddegowda said that the syllabus this year has been reduced by 30%. The chapter on Tipu Sultan for Class 7 has been dropped to reduce the syllabus by 30% for this academic year due to delay in reopening of schools due to no let-up in coronavirus spread. Class 7 students would have already read about Tipu Sultan in Class 6 and will read more on him in Class 10. Hence, dropping it for this academic year will not be a loss to them. The opposition has hit out at the state government for dropping the syllabus from textbooks. The Congress slammed the BJP and accused the government of viewing everything from a political perspective. KPCC President DK Shivkumar said that an expert committee must be set up to further discuss the issue. The BJP government views everything from a political perspective. They want to make their personal agenda as a historical agenda. This is unacceptable. Whether they may accept it or not, Tipu, Hyder Ali and Prophet Muhammad are a part of our history. Whether we celebrate Tipu Jayanti or not, it is a different issue. History is history. The draft committee which is trying to change the syllabi, it is not right. It should be debated. We can't change history. Preaching things might be different. We will have to take this issue very seriously. I will set up a committee on this issue. Last year, Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa had in fact said the government was contemplating removing references to Tipu Sultan from textbooks. Yediyurappa claimed that Tipu Sultan was not a freedom fighter and that he did not deserve a place in school textbooks. Textbooks must be rewritten to portray the real Tipu Sultan to our children. They should be made aware of the tyrant's cruelty against Hindus and his anti-Kannada rule. Remember, B.S. Yediyurappa had last year ordered the cancellation of Tipu Jayanti celebrations across the state, drawing the opposition's ire. The Congress regards him as a freedom fighter while the BJP considers Tipu Sultan as an oppressor who committed atrocities against Hindus.